According to reports, sources have identified the homeless victim in a horrific, bloody assault in which a naked North Miami Beach man chewed off a large portion of another man's face, according to reports. Reports say the victim is known as Ronald Poppo, a 65-year-old male who is in critical condition just blocks away from where the broad daylight attack took place, according to reports. Reports say this is not the first time the victim has been attacked. Breaking internet radio news. Victim identified in the naked Cannibal attack. You hear it here first. Internet radio blog.